Seminar Report on 5G Technology. Introduction. 5G technology is the fifth generation of mobile networks, promising significant improvements over its predecessors in terms of speed, capacity, latency, and connectivity. It is set to revolutionize various industries, including telecommunications, healthcare, transportation, and entertainment, by enabling faster data transfer rates, ultra-low latency, massive device connectivity, and enhanced reliability. Key features of 5G technology. 8. High-speed data transfer. 5G networks can deliver data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, significantly faster than 4G LTE networks. DoO. Ultra-low latency. With latency as low as 1 millisecond, 5G enables real-time communication critical for applications like autonomous vehicles and remote surgery. Theme. Massive device connectivity. 5G networks support a significantly higher number of connected devices, facilitating the growth of the Internet of Things (IoT) ecosystem. 4. Enhanced reliability. Through advanced technologies such as network slicing and beamforming, 5G networks offer improved reliability and stability, even in high-traffic areas. Technological components of 5G. 8. Millimeter wave (MM wave) frequencies. 5G utilizes higher frequency bands, including millimeter waves, to achieve faster speeds and greater bandwidth. DoO. Massive MIMO, multiple input multiple output. Massive MIMO technology employs a large number of antennas to transmit and receive data simultaneously, improving network capacity and efficiency. Theme. Beamforming. Beamforming techniques focus radio signals directly towards the intended receiver, increasing signal strength and reliability. 4. Network slicing. Network slicing allows operators to partition a single physical network into multiple virtual networks, each tailored to specific applications or services. Applications of 5G technology. 8. Enhanced Mobile Broadband (EMBB). 5G enables seamless streaming of high-definition video, immersive gaming, and faster downloads on mobile devices. DoO. Internet of Things (IoT). 5G facilitates the interconnectivity of billions of IoT devices, enabling smart homes, cities, and industries. Theme. Autonomous vehicles. Low latency and high reliability connectivity provided by 5G are crucial for the development and deployment of autonomous vehicles, enabling real-time communication between vehicles and infrastructure. 4. Telemedicine. 5G enables high-quality video conferencing and remote monitoring, revolutionizing healthcare delivery through telemedicine and remote surgery. 5. Smart manufacturing. 5G-powered IoT networks enable real-time monitoring and control of manufacturing processes, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Challenges and considerations. 8. Infrastructure deployment. The rollout of 5G networks requires significant investment in infrastructure, including new base stations and fiber optic cables. DoO. Spectrum allocation. Allocating sufficient spectrum for 5G networks is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and capacity. Theme. Security and privacy. As 5G networks connect more devices and critical infrastructure, ensuring cybersecurity and protecting user privacy becomes increasingly important. 4. Regulatory compliance. Compliance with regulatory requirements and standards is essential to ensure interoperability and compatibility across different 5G networks. Conclusion. 5G technology represents a paradigm shift in wireless communication, offering unprecedented speed, reliability, and connectivity. Its transformative impact spans across various industries, driving innovation and unlocking new possibilities for the future of technology. However, realizing the full potential of 5G requires addressing technical challenges, ensuring security, and fostering collaboration among stakeholders. This seminar report provides an overview of 5G technology, its key features, technological components, applications, challenges, and considerations, highlighting its significance in shaping the digital landscape of the future.